All right. On your map now. Number one. How do you know if it's less than, greater than, or equal to? Less than, greater than, or equal to? How do we know? Okay, all right. Number two. What'd you come up with for your final answer in lowest terms? Abby? One and 1/4. Any questions on that one? 1 and 1/4. Number three, what did you need to do before you could subtract? What did you need to do before you could subtract? Abby? Okay, all right. And what was your difference? Ooh, not quite. Yes, 10 and 7/500. You had to borrow. Number four, we have 5 groups of 1/8. 5 groups of 1/8. What does that give us? 5/8. 5/8. Number 5, the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Number 6, 2 names for the diameter. Segment AB is 1. Segment BA, make sure you have the segment symbol above it. Number 7, 20% as a fraction. 20 hundredths. Number 8, the division. What is your quotient? 429. Number 9, negative numbers are less than 0. How many of you had true? It is a true statement. So when the temperature drops below 0, the weather reporters are going to say it is in the negative, like negative 10 degrees. Okay, keep your nose inside. Okay. Number 10, you're put that in lowest terms, 7/14. Eduardo. Not 1/7. 1/2. 1/2. Divided by 7/7. Any questions? Okay, please get that recorded then. Lainey, you need to be in view. Okay, yesterday then you were to write equations, you were to find the variable, write the equation, and then work it backwards. I have put 2 through 5 equations as is, and then backwards. I did not write all the solving steps up here. I'll give the answers to those here in just a minute. Lainey and Lillian, can you see the board? I got a yes on that. Okay. So any corrections you need to make on those first steps there. Number 4, I drew the picture for that so you could understand where the information came from. I labeled each of the cities by their first letter and wrote in their miles, and then showed that the total distance was 35 miles to help you understand where the information came from. Okay?
I subtracted 3 numbers. I added 10 and 3/5 and 12 and 1/2 is calculated.
Will you do that in parentheses? That's fine. Any questions on the setup for number 2? Any questions on the setup for number 3? Yes.
What's the answer for number 3?
There aren't answers up here yet. These are just the setups. Any questions on the setup for number 4? Any question on the setup for number 5? Okay. The answers then, after you did all the arithmetic, finding common denominators, doing the addition and or subtraction along the way, were number 2, 3 and 11/16 pounds. Number 3, 7 feet. Number 4, 11 and 9/10 miles. And number 5, 32 and 1/3 feet. Questions on any of those? Jonathan, I find it hard to believe you checked any of it. Yeah, you weren't looking at any of it. Yeah, it's not even open. Because you're just now opening it up. What? 32 and 1/3 feet. Yes. 3 and 11/16 pounds. Valerie? 11 and 9/10 miles. Anybody need help coming up with those answers? Seeing the arithmetic for them? Okay. On page 406 then. (11/24) and the label would be of her allowance. Number 2, 1 and 7/12 feet. Number 3, you're looking for using exponents here. Because there are lots of zeros here, then we would be multiplying by a power of 10. So how many times would 10 have been used as the base number?
5.
5 times. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Okay? Would have given you that value. All right, so 10 to the 5th power. And number 4. What expression would you have used for estimating that? Well, we're looking for compatible numbers here. Lane?
930.
900 divided by 30 would have been the best expression there. Okay?
I did 870 divided by 30.
870 divided by 30?
Mm-hmm.
That isn't a bad one.
Because I rounded up.
Can you easily divide 87 by 30? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can easily do 900 divided by 30, right? You can do that quick. You can, you see it. Does that make sense? 870 divided by 30 isn't horrible, but I don't see that as one of the things that you guys could easily do. Does that make sense? You still have to do some long division, right? Compatible numbers are supposed to eliminate having to do long division. Does that make sense? Okay.
860 divided by 30.
860 divided by 30 would not work. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Number 5. The clerk was given $20. The bill was $6.57. What did you do to figure out how much change Justin got back? What did you need to do?
and
And you got $13.43, okay? And number 6, what did you have to do first? What did you have to do first?
you have to do 6 minus 3, and I give you 3.
Okay, so you do the 6 minus the 3 first, all right? And in doing that, then, your second step should have looked like this. And many of you are not writing your steps out. You just got a bunch of garbage arithmetic all over the place. We need to quit the garbage arithmetic, and we need to be writing our evaluating expression steps down underneath each other. So if you didn't write these steps out, make sure that you write these steps out. Okay? What would we do next? What would we do next? What did I do? I was doing division, wasn't I? I was back at that division sign, wasn't I? Yep. Trying to talk and walk and write and turn and...
18 divided by 3 is equals 6.
Yeah, so then we would do that division. And then we have our addition left, which gives us
13.
13. Okay? But these are the steps that you should be working on writing and not just arithmetic all over the place. Okay? Questions? Anybody? All right. Okay, today we have 5 independent activities that have been sent to you that you need to complete. We've got almost an hour to do them. So in an hour's time, you should easily be able to complete 5 independent activities. Okay? Question for those of you who had a good jump on that. I felt like I gave a lot of study time for that. Justify, that should have gone home. I did one of the 3 with you. I felt like that should have gone home and gotten done. If you get your 5 independent activities done, you've got time to finish up on those. I feel like that should have already been something that is pretty well underway to start with. Okay? The order I suggest you do these in is pink first, because that is one that can typically get done quickly. Okay? Then, trying to think. I'm explaining everything, so just hold on a second here. So on your folder, I will do red second. Right there, right down pink. Right here. Out to the left, pink. I would do red second. I would do blue third. Probably green. And then orange. Okay? You are in week 22 right now. The numbers are 5. For orange, it is 9. For red, it is 48. For blue, it is 5. For green, it is 15. For pink, it is 7. Is it an emergency?
You girls see the independent activities in Google Chrome or in your Google Classroom? Lainey and Lily, do you see them? Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Okay, so what you're going to need to do when you get one done, write it on a piece of paper and hold it up for me so I can check it, so that you know whether you need to redo it or not. Okay? You'll need to say Mrs. Allen so I know to come up and check it, okay? Did you hear me? Lainey did. How about you, Lily?
Yes.
Thank you.
Once you decide what your numbers are, write them down if your board keeps moving on you. All right, I'm going to start walking the room. You keep going, and if you have it, raise your hand when I'm there. It has to be equal to 8. You can't keep going. Okay, please have your folder available to me when I'm there.
Can you see? Oh, no. Take one, you guys. No, no, not at all. These are not that hard. Get out paper and pencil. Back. Get up. It's right there underneath your, get out paper and pencil. Take that. Division. Lily, you still need to go to me.
Right? Oh, because you didn't charge your battery last night. You bring your charger? Gee. Didn't you know you're not gonna get today because you didn't charge your battery? I can fix that problem. I'm gonna fix that problem. We really quite thinking. Because I'm trying to fix some problems like that. Want to do some phone call mom and dad? Oh, really? Why not? Would you like that phone call? Why not? What would they say? Uh-huh. Are you being very responsible, huh? Yeah. Well, how can you solve that problem? And you think you have extra charges? But what if you do if you leave her down the Yeah, does anybody in here have a charger? Well, you may ask.
Yes.
Reducing that, you have. Let's it over there. Oh, wait, yeah, sorry. Sorry. Oh. Okay. For those of you who are working on the 2/5, what place study was that? There's a chair, there's a desk, and not bending down to lift your Chromebook. You didn't charge it. Look again, look again. Did you always say it last? Or we get this one? No. Does that help you? Oh, my. Oh, dear. You guys, you're funny. You gotta try to be nice like that, right? No! Try to be nice. No! That's what you want. You'll have to get one idea now. If you charge your Chromebook instead of going to email on that one. What is this number? So, Blue. Okay, so that's a 4. Is it a 4 or a 1? What was it? Okay, that I can believe. but other thing, no. No. Nope. Nope. What? I don't know what you're saying. The black is Are you ringing bells over there? What you doing there, Finley? Your last line makes no sense at all. Nope.
I have one last number, but I can't put it anywhere. I still have 3 picks in
Well, let me see your others.
there. They're all the same.
Let me see the others.
Anything really small.
Well, other things could be used there, right? Guys, you're not even getting out paper and trying anything. You're just like throwing numbers in there, so I think that's over it. No. Well, your head's doing it wrong, Ruth. No. No. Again, I don't see paper out, trying stuff out. I gave a large hint up there. That makes sense. So draw 2 more white circles. Okay? And then into that. Okay, if you've been working on this one for a while and you're stuck, go on to another one and come back to it. Write down what you have. Go on to another one and come back to it. Right? Okay, yeah, we can hit okay for that. What? Mhm. As we see. Let me take a look. How many steps are there? What? Okay, there's your stuff on it, one to the other, so you get time to get points. You're helping you manage your time, but I guess if you don't want to get the other points, then stay there and be stuck. So you're on the work. We are down to 22 minutes. So if you're stuck, move on to another one and come back. So, yes. Put your hand up or you're just like, rest it there, what you doing there? I need to see the whole thing, right? So this, I think the,
Girls, you have shown me nothing, and our time is down to like 20 minutes. You've completed none of them? Which one is it?
The orange one.
Lainey, which one is it? The orange one? Okay, hold it up there and let me see it. Yeah, it's not correct, so you'll need to fix it.
What's this one?
look it up. What? Hey, I'm not starting to grade partial cards. You get your whole card done before I check it. Okay.
Can you use the number on this one card?
No. Inspection, that's correct. What is wrong with you? This will be the last three, yes. As opposed to the first three, yes. So you do the last three. Okay, good.
I knew it. Oh my God. Wait.
No,
I got it. I got it.
Of course I have a minute. Oh,
No.
So I just wanted to come in here real quick because I think it's important that.
hey, excuse me, please put your hands down, keep talking.
Thank you.
Ruth,
I'll call you.
hands up.
I touched base with a couple other fifth grade classes this morning. I wanted to come in here too, okay? And I wanted to just review probably the most important aspect of anything you do here at school or outside of school, if you're in sports or dance. Okay, there's one thing in life that you can always control, no matter what other circumstances are going on. There is one thing that you are always in control over as students, as adults. No matter what you are or what you do, there's always one thing you control. Does anybody know what that is?
It's yourself.
Close. I'm thinking of a word. Finley. Attitude is yes, attitude goes right along with it. I'm thinking of a word that starts with E.
Education.
Effort.
Oh.
Effort.
Right.
Attitude and effort, I mean, they go hand in hand. So Finley's right on it. Your effort. Okay? And so what I want you to know is every single week when you take those standards mastery tests, you do one in math, you do one in English language arts, that's not just for nothing. Okay? Your teachers, whether it's your English teachers or your math teachers, look at those results to try to see what it is that you need to learn. Okay? And they can't understand what it is that you need to learn if they can't decide whether you really don't know it or whether it's your effort. I wanted to come in and applaud this class for their effort on the most recent Math iReady test. This class, with the exception of, very few people, were either all in the yellow or all in the green, which is a very commendable job. Your effort on that seems to have been very good. Okay, so I'm proud of you. All right, I think that's important. And I know I don't always get a chance to get in and tell you guys that, but I am proud of your effort on this test. I go in and I review them every week when we take them. You did a great job. So that's what I want to tell you. Keep up the good work. Keep listening to Mrs. Allen, okay, and keep giving your best effort because you've got a phenomenal teacher here. You've got a phenomenal teacher across the hall. And when you put forth your best effort, you can continue to do very magnificent things in class. Okay? Good job. Yeah, this is not a negative thing.
I thought you were going to give us in trouble.
No, you're not in trouble. Listen, this is a good thing. This is a positive. So keep up the good work. I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Adios.
All right. All right. Now, I gave the biggest hit of all up there. I don't know why you had to give that hint after all we've been in practice.
I know.
Hey, you'll get two in, but I'm not sure if you have it ready.
Ready.
When she gets up, we're done. Yeah. You have more to do. Oh, I can't really turn that in. Keep working in case it's not my last sweep through. Keep working. No sharing of answers. No sharing of answers. I know.
Okay, you got it, darling. Dang it. Why are you in here?
You've used the two a whole bunch of times. You can't use it a bunch of times. You use it once.
I need this one, and that one.
Quiet. You're not to be sharing answers. That's what I'm hearing. Yeah. Jonathan. And that's why the whole class can hear you. Oh, now it is my final sleep. Huh? I'm just sure we did some. Not that. Oh my gosh, David will be hurt. Row. Look at the triangle. Look at the triangle, Chloe.
Wind down. It's triangle on your screen. What's the name of it? Triangle will help you. I mean, it's base that person. I need to get something else to make a joke. I'm
Hey, your stuff needs to be put away. I'm coming through over here if somebody has something. Get your stuff put away. Make sure you're putting things put it away. Everything.
Oh my gosh.